Hello guys, I just gonna show you my new Victorinox Cyber Tool 34, and we're gonna pop up the box here. Here it is. Here we have the main blade and a little blade, and we have a pair of scissors and pliers, and we have the little flathead screwdriver and bottle opener. Can opener. Here we have a big flathead screwdriver and a bottle opener, and this little thing here is the wire stripper. And we have the Cyber Tool screwdriver. This is it works with all the screws in almost every computer. And we have, if you pop it up here, we have some more bits with one on this side, there you can see it, and a little bigger on this side. I'm gonna lay them out here. So there you have them. Let me pop it back here, like this, and down. And here we have a pair of tweezers, and on this side we have a toothpick and a pen. A corkscrew, a little corkscrew screwdriver, and this hook, and this, I believe it's called an owl or something. I don't really know, but you have to excuse me there. But so this is my Victorinox Cyber Tool 34. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.